So good morning, guys. Today will be special and today will be different because I'm gonna unbox my first order in Lazada. I just got um, the delivery from Field Post. Perhaps they're having trouble locating my area, and they just dropped it in Field Post, the Consolacion post office. So, yep, this is my order, and this is actually a 30 pieces of wireless adapter. Alright, so this is the Wi-Fi adapter. So, let's go ahead and unbox this, and let's see what is in here. Alright, um, so there's actually a lot of things here. The field post mentioned that this came from Malaysia. I actually shocked because I was expecting that this came from China. When I ordered it in Alibaba, it actually mentioned there that it's from China. But then again, field post mentioned that this came from Malaysia. So, yep. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this one. So I'm not gonna mix. I'm not gonna remove this one here. I'm not gonna take the sticker, okay? Because for some reason there will be problems with the parcel. I will be able to return it using this sticker here. Right? So I really don't know why, but I have 1, 2, 3 stickers. I don't know if you can see it, but there are 3 stickers pasted on my parcel. So that really sounds fishy, right? So let's just go ahead and unbox this. I'm gonna, as you can see, it's not yet opened or whatnot. It's still sealed. Everything is sealed. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this. I'm gonna start here. Okay. So when I open it, I actually found a phone. All right. That's interesting. All right. So there's nothing here. There's a phone. Let me just open this up. Okay, so inside the phone is this one. Let's try to open this. Yep. Let's see if what we can see here. Alright, so as you can see, these are really a lot of Wi-Fi dongles. Alright, so Wi-Fi dongles. There's a lot of Wi-Fi dongles here. It said 802, 0.1, 0.11, and alright. So I'm not gonna count this one. I think this reaches 30. But yep. First unboxing or first order in Alibaba is actually satisfied. I think this is all around 30. So yep, I'm satisfied, and actually trying to sell this one to people for 350 pesos. So yeah, so thank you so much, guys. Once again, thank you so much, Alibaba, and watch out for my next order to you guys. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.